Good morning, everyone. Okay, class. This is not our last class because this is our first class in this semester. And we have our new student from Makatigba Street, Patay City. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. My name is Giant Dwarf Manuel Marquez Pacquiao. I am the big, small mine in our country. Don't believe in fortune. It is bad luck. Don't tell a lie if you can't tell the truth. If you don't know the value of your life, if you are worthless, the best thing you do is to think big if you have a small mind.
Wow, very good. Our time is over now. Okay? I will give you an assignment. Make a story with 3,000 words that ends with goodbye. Okay? Bye.
First blood.
Pa! Nami assignment. Maghimo niyo og story 3,000 words. Mag-in sa goodbye.
3,000 words? Sobra naman na para sa imong utok. Tapos mag-end siya sa goodbye.
Yes, dad.
Okay. Sula po din. Kamu manuntay kita eskwela. Apil-apilon man tanin niyo anak pa-answer. Kung saka, magpa-enroll lang po kakuha nila. Para doon ta maghimo na.
Ngik. Paana si ma'am. Magpatabang na si muha. Para di daw ako mabagsak.
Sige. Maghimo na ta. Isulat ya. One day, I was walking the street,
I was walking the street,
going back to my home.
going back to my home.
I saw the dog,
I saw the dog,
and the dog saw me. And the dog
and the dog
start barking.
start barking.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Ano sa spelling sa ako pa? Ay, sige pa. Aw. Ano sa sunod pa?
Okay, sunod. Then,
Then,
there's another dog
there is another dog
coming
coming
and joining to bark.
going to bark.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Aw, aw. 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 Aw.
Okay, iha pa na. Pila na nakabuok?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $1,500 may tanan pa.
2,500 ah. Dungagi o 1,300 ka. Aw, 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 aw.
Okay pa. Ay, paano kayo dungag?
O sige, gusto ba na?
Then the owner start shouting. Chi.
But the dog
But the dog
continue
continue
barking.
barking.
Ow, 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 ow.
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, ow, 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 ow.
Ow, 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 ow.
Then,
Then,
I run. Run.
run.
But the dog follow me.
But the dog follow me.
I run past
I run past
until the dogs collapse.
until the dog
Collapse
collapse
and die.
and die.
Then,
Then,
say goodbye.
goodbye.
Goodbye. Ito.
Pa, 3,500 akong nasulat. Imbis 3,000 ra.
Uy! Sobrang 500! I-cancel ang 500 ka, aw!
Okay pa. Okay na pa.
Aw, ipasa na si maestra. Champion na.
Yes, pasar na kayo ni. na lang akong ma'am. Assignment.
Nene.
Wow.
Oh. Go. Hello mga gagmay gotok, daghang kayong salamat sa inyong makanunayong pagsuporta sa among channel. Wash out day ko kay Augusto 14, 83 from Saudi Arabia.
O kang Nick TV. Pass out ko.
O kang Manatad family from Tagumpu. And PN Furniture, kang Nanit o kang Carla from Tagum City and Wansi Company from Tagum City. So,
Wash out ko kang Julie May Salising. Hi, Be.
so keep sharing and following our channel. Sa gusto magpa-wash out, comment lang below. Thank you.
Bye-bye.